From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Savannah Hummler for the city of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. The Denton Teen Council is a way to get your youth involved in the community and municipal government. Teens aged 13 to 18 or in grades 8 through 12 are eligible to join. To learn more about this exciting opportunity, visit the city's website, cityofdenton.com, and click on the Teen Council icon in the middle of the page. Denton's historic preservation plan is 30 years old, and it's getting an update. Monday evening was a workshop aimed at getting the public's input on how the city should help encourage the preservation of our timeless structures and spaces.
Well, public involvement is critical for any type of plan like this. This plan will help the City Council, the Planning and Zoning Board, the Historic Landmark Commission, and citizens. It will be a tool for them to look at for guidance. All of our buildings and places and parks and green spaces are to be considered. We have to ask ourselves, what is here now that we would like to continue to see here for the next 100 years, 200 years? That is where it's important for the people who are here tonight to come in and let us know on a map that this place matters or this place matters. If you couldn't make it here tonight, I encourage you to reach out to my office, the City of Denton Historic Preservation Office, and let us know what you think and what matters to you.
The Texas Storytelling Festival is coming up March 7th until 10th. It's a celebration of engaging tales from all around the world. It takes place across multiple buildings around Quakertown Park. Visit TejasStorytelling.com for a full schedule and to register. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the city of Denton, I'm Savannah Hummler. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.